the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Goldfinch. Man, for you guys that have been with me for this entire time, do you remember that like time period where we were just like hovering a lot around $1.20, and we were like, hey, $1.20 needs to hold, and if it doesn't, then 80 cents to $1 needs to hold. And then it did, and then it like printed this pattern, and we were like, oh my gosh, this coin looks exactly like Pangolin, where I actually made that comparison, where it literally looks like it did exactly what Pangolin did, which is go right here and then go sideways for Pangolin went sideways for like a couple months, and then it absolutely drew a huge candlestick out. And then there's like that one guy, I don't know his name, but we were talking about how high it can go, and the fact that the $3.80, $4 is resistance. So congratulations to the holders. This isn't even close to being done in my opinion, but again, let's kind of look at where it can go, because again, this is like a big move up, and just keep that in mind. So obviously RSI is going to be overbought, right? Yeah, so higher high, exactly what we expected. I think that we're going to get some, probably if we get some sort of correction, yeah, so $1.43, $2.27 really needs to hold. So, and I know that's a huge, was that 50%? It's not uncommon, guys. So if you're in here, you have to have the stomach to bear these drops, because if you compare this with when we used to be in a bull run, like the last bull run, the coins did retrace 50%, and then they went like, they moonshot it. So again, don't be discouraged. Like, don't like hold this knowing it's going to come all, like your portfolio is going to hit 50%, and then sell it when it's like down here because you made some, and then it goes back up and leaves you. Not financial advice, but again, just be in control, know where you want to sell and all that. So this is really bullish right now because I think it's above the 618. Yeah, so it is above the 618 on a macro perspective. So the next target is $6.17. There's absolutely no resistance. So this actually might go up to $6 before we fall back down. But at that point, then that would kind of change our targets. That would mean that, so if it does hit the 618 at $6.17, $6.13, whatever, then that means that it's not on log. No, it is. Okay. So that would mean that, yeah, as long as it stays above. So something like this could happen where you get a candlestick above to the 618, and then you have retracement, consolidation, followed by a move up. Or something even like this, where you get another pattern like this, and you just explode out here. Anyway, so the next target up is $6.19. Let's just take it that way. And then on the downside, $2.75, $3 needs to hold, which I really think it will. Congratulations to everyone that bought. You're up like more than 10x now from the bottom. So again, that's not quite life-changing money, but it's getting there. And then for everyone that wants to know how high it can go, as long as it breaks over, I wish I could just remove all this, but whatever. How high it can go, if it breaks the all-time high at $15, it could go anywhere between 15 to 218. So at that point, you just need to decide, you just need to decide when you want to sell, and that's if it breaks. Okay, I'm not saying it is. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. If I knew that it was going to break, I would obviously put all my money in it, right? But if it does break, it's going to be between $15 and $218. And there's like little to no resistance, which is around another 50x from the current price, which would put the market cap at over, well, I mean, it would put it at 5 billion, which that's very conservative, guys. Shiba Inu went to like 40 billion, and this is an actual real project, right? So I don't mean to get you excited about it, or like, say like, oh, this thing's gonna hit like 5 billion, but keep in mind that meme coins, they go like very high, and I always like to compare it because it's like, well, if this thing actually has utility and is actually a good coin, has a good backing, there's no reason why this thing shouldn't be at least a $5 to $10 billion market cap coin. Kind of like Polygon, Polkadot, all these other like legitimate coins. You just have to ask yourself, well, is Goldfinch going to be one of those coins? Anyway, thank you so much for your guys' support. You guys are awesome. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I already said that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.